What's up, YouTube? You know who it is, and thank you so much for visiting the channel. In today's video, we're going to cover my 5-day mining profitability with the ICERIVER KS0. Say that 5 times as fast. Big shout out to Mr. Financial Failure, who allowed me to borrow his KS0 and actually mine some KASPA to my wallet. Dude, you're awesome, and I owe you one. Let's roll the intro. Let's roll the ad. Let's talk about it.
The MeterBox and Octo Miner are teaming up for another exciting giveaway. Win the latest proof of useful work, Octo Server E10, and X8 Ultra Plus and more. Introducing the limited edition Octo Miner box set by MeterBox. It includes the 125-volt and 250-volt meter boxes, a special NFT, stickers, and a keychain. Hurry, only 250 box sets available. Visit themeterbox.com now to secure yours today. Purchase the Octo Miner box set and unlock a secret code for 1,000 entries. Plus, earn an extra 1,000 entries and receive that collectible NFT. Don't miss out. The contest ends July 30th.
Okay, guys, welcome back. So I know Bitmain is going to be releasing their KASPA miner very, very soon, and that's going to flood the hash rate. It could 10x potentially, and it's going to completely flood the network. So will this still be profitable by then? Maybe, we will see. I mean, at only 65 watts, the KS0 is probably going to be profitable for a little while, in my honest opinion, and that's not financial advice. So wanted to show you guys that I am mining to kaspapool.org. My current hash rate as of making this video is 108.72 gigahash. I have made 6,529 KASPA, and looks like I am just out of payout. Now, I did change my minimum payout to 500. So that was just my choice because I didn't want to wait for the whole 2,000. I wanted to get them as soon as possible. So moving to payouts here, I started mining on the 5th, and that's when I received my first payout. As you can see, it's 2,000, and then I changed it to 500. So in 4 days, effectively, I have made 6,500 KASPA. Now, I think that is insane. I really do like this machine, and I'm actually thinking of purchasing one myself because I'm hoping that Bitmain is going to delay their release of their Antminer or KASPA, excuse me, and that we can maybe get some yields on this, right? I know GPU mining on KASPA is not that bad at this moment, but even with these KS0s and those E300s, FPGAs, the network is flooded. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens. Okay, so real quick, I just transitioned to my iPhone. So I wanted to do a size comparison here to show you guys exactly how big this thing is. And that's a 1080 Ti. So if you look at it, there you go. It's not very big at all. I actually really do like this machine. It's not loud, doesn't even generate that much heat. And at 65 watts, honestly, I don't think you can beat it. I think at 65 watts, this machine will be profitable for a little while, even with the Bitmain machines coming online very soon. That's not financial advice, that's just my opinion. As you can see here, I got my CPU mining rigs. I got 2 actually that I traded with Matt Electron for some 3070s. So I'll be sending those out soon. Matt Electron, thank you. He gave me 2 3900X motherboards, but that's another topic for another video. So wanted to show you guys what's going on here with that and show you a cool size comparison. All right, so looking at the KASPA price, so it looks like we're up 57% in the last month. Here's my opinion, guys. There's a lot of talk right now and rumors about a manipulation to increase the price with these sales of these Bitmain machines. Listen, let's not believe everything that we hear on the internet, okay? There is a lot of people talking. There's a lot of people who missed out on the boat, actually, and are upset that they didn't do it. So they're trying to make everybody else feel bad about it. And yes, there are people like that around. So anyway, KASPA sitting at 2.5 cents, just about. Do I see the potential for this project? Absolutely. I know they just activated their Rust protocol not too long ago, and it's been working really good. They're trying to get those block times as fast as possible. I do think KASPA, once they get their layer 2 activated on their network, I think it's going to be great. I really like this project. I've been watching it ever since Son of a Tech had mentioned it almost a year ago now, or over a year ago probably. And I really like it. So make sure you pay attention to the markets. There's going to be a lot of people with clickbaity thumbnails and all that kind of stuff trying to get you to being fearful. A lot of haters. Listen, let's give these projects a chance. Okay, let's all slow down. Let's give these projects a chance. Let's not jump down their throat immediately. I did go to what to mine and put in 8 3070s. That's what I got in one of my octo miners. Now KASPA is not profitable right now at anything over 7 cents. So I put 7 cents in there, profitability 24 hours. Let's scroll down to KASPA, and the yield is right around 42 to 44 KASPA, and you're making about 2 cents. But we know GPU mining right now is in a winter and the market is terrible. But hey, if you're focused on yields, 8 3070s can yield you a pretty good amount. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just hodling everything right now, but you don't have to follow me. Please do what's best for your financial situation. Okay, so real quick, I do want to cover the network hash rate. However, if you plan on solo mining KASPA, it is highly suggested that you mine to your own node. If you don't know how to set that up, Son of a Tech has a great video on it. Video link in the description below. So looking at the network hash rate, we're sitting at 1.09 petahash. Looks like we got about 53,490 miners online. KASPApool.org is at the top. I see poolin.com here has 0% PPLNS pool fee. Now, I'm not sure if they're running a promotion. I've never mined there. So hash at your own risk. But I have mined at magicpool.co. They're 0.01%. And they're about 7 terahash. And I know they're legit because I've mined there. So anyway, the network difficulty is, looks like it's leveled off a little bit. Slight decrease, but nothing crazy. Everything seems status quo for KASPA, but it's going to be very interesting when Bitmain releases their miner. I think the hash rate's going to 5 to 10x, so it's going to be interesting. So make sure you guys pay attention to the hash rates. You got some dual mining available at Wooly Pooley, F2 pool, K1 pool. You can go straight to BTC at 2 miners. There's some great options out there. So if you're interested in buying the KS0, in my personal opinion, I do think it's a good buy. Let's hope Bitmain delays their Antminer release for the KASPA miner. I think it'll give us enough time to make sure we ROI on those units if that's what you're focused on. But if you're like me, I hodl and I'm gonna wait for the bull market. Not financial advice, that's what I'm doing. So hope you guys like this video. I know it's another short one, I'm sorry about that. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Hawk out.